So I got this question yesterday about could I use paid ads to grow my agency, my marketing agency? Number one, definitely you can. It's a very easy thing. So I thought I'd run through exactly like how you could do that. So this is what we call an acquisition question, right? And the 5 parts of running any business or agency, there are five core pieces. This one's a acquisition question. How do we get more? So I'm going to run you through the full process. First, we'll go through the simple answer, and then we'll go through the complicated one, like what exactly, the metrics you need. Cool. Right. First of all, ad side. Ad side, anything B2B, anything agency-wise is quite easy. It's usually something text-based with the desired ICP, desired outcome, and what the core pain points are. So with this one, teachers, replace your teaching salary within the next 90 days guaranteed, right? Calling out the ICP, what's exactly going to happen, and what the desired outcome is, which is to replace their income, and it happens within 90 days. Same thing, med spas guarantee an in-house marketing system, guarantees you 2x ROI. Same thing here, take your marketing in-house, guarantees you 2x ROI, or you don't pay. This one here as well, calling web developers who are not working with their ideal clients, can handle up to 20 to 50 bookings a month, can take X, and wants to scale to 10K a month, book now. Same thing, it's consistently the same thing here. Even this one, which isn't really an agency, but still B2B, which is, if you have 50K and you want to invest in property and you want a guaranteed 15% return, then, book in or contact. So ads wise, these are pretty easy. You can follow these exact ads and you probably will get results. Obviously unoptimized, right? These is you're usually going to send them to a landing page, right? Either a landing page or a form. Landing page usually is technically the lead magnet because you have a VSL. So you can see here, like you can have discover. Okay, I can't zoom in anymore, unfortunately. Discover how we can guarantee 52 clients in the next 2 weeks. So very clear what the offer is. And then obviously a VSL. The VSL is the lead magnet here because it's educating the person. Same thing here, how to add 40K in revenue with the AI powered marketing system. Again, desired outcome, really clear put out, really clear ICP as well. So if you send people to a landing page, you're getting a much higher quality traffic because they've consumed some content from you. So that's the lead magnet. Like there's some trust been built there. Now it will cost you a bit more because, more people are going to drop off. If you send them to a lead form, which you can do, and it does work, the only difference is that you're going to get a lot more volume, but they're going to be a bit less quality, right? Now, the good thing about a lead form is that you can do something called conditional logic. So you can reject leads. Same way technically you can do it on the landing page as well. So if you can teach the platform, look, if they don't answer in this specific way, this is not classed as a lead, and then it just rejects them. So, and what I would do technically is I'd just split test both, or I'd even combine both, do the lead form and they go straight onto the landing page. Really, really easy. What questions would you ask? Here's kind of how I'd structure the lead form here. Really, really easy, really, really straightforward. Now that's the simple way of doing it. There are a few things you do need to make this work. So number one, you really need to know who your ICP is. The more specific you are on the exact client you're working for, with web developers, med spas, roofers doing 50K, 50 to 100K, the more specific, the better, and the more premium you can charge. It's much easier and the ad platform performs way better. And the next thing is the offer as well. I'll be honest, like your offer does need to be really strong. So usually usually what you'll see is a lot of guarantees, like guarantees you won't pay, the risk reversal. There are some other offers you can do, which is like free trial with deposit, money back, guarantee, pay per X, commission. But yeah, your intro offer is going to be really important. Essentially, what you really want to do whenever you're moving on to paid ads is you want to have a system where within like 4 weeks, they're instantly getting results, they're instantly getting the value. And that's where you can charge the premium. And charging premium here is kind of going to be important. I'll walk you through why. And by premium, I'm saying at least $1,000. So the actual maths behind this will be that if you were to run this on Facebook ads, it'll be around $30 CPM with around a 1.5% CTR. So meaning your cost per click will be $2. Let's assume 20% convert. Of that 20%, 30% are qualified, and of that, 50% show up and 10% close. Your cost per close will be roughly around $660. Now you can drag this down. I'm just talking from a really raw perspective. Usually you can probably get in the 200 to 300 range, but if the maximum I've probably ever seen is 600, and that's really unoptimized. If you optimize your ads, optimize the VSL, keep improving, iterating with a really, really strong offer, you can definitely get it down to like $200. And your cost per lead lowest I've seen is $10, but I have seen up to $40 as well. And yeah, here's an ad account where your cost per lead is about £43, about $50. And that's even with a risk reversal as well. I think we actually managed to bring it down to 25. But yeah, so it is definitely possible to, pay ads for your marketing agency or any form of agency. If you want to know more, press the link down below and we can join our school community where we do a free one-to-one workshop where we'll walk through this exact formula, actually, where you're stuck and like what can we do to unlock that, whether it's new clients, how would we do it, and all sorts, and show you all the assets that's needed.